Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to have Roblox rival codes, and all you have to do is to launch or open your browser. From here, you are going to search for rblxcodes.com, and from here you are going to choose the game that you would like to have or see their codes. Let's say I'd say to click on this one, and once I'm here, I am going to see the codes once I wait for this one to load. And for this one, as you can see, it is saying first code coming soon. So I'm going to time it to check back tomorrow. So I can go back and I'm going to choose another one. Let's say I choose or I can just decide to tap on the ROBLOX. I get it. And then I'm going to tap on codes. And from there, I can decide to choose any of the themes that are here, like one of us I did codes. Once we're here, I can see the codes that are going to be here. And as you can see, staying as that like 10K code. So this is the code that I'm going to enter when I'm in this game. And this code will give us a gets once you enter it to the game that you're going to be playing, which is this one. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.